In this tutorial, let us learn about Pandas plotting. Plotting. Pandas use the plot method to create diagrams. We can use PyPlot as submodules of matplotlib library to visualize the diagram on the screen. You can know more about matplotlib in our matplotlib videos. Import PyPlot from matplotlib and visualize our data frame. See here, by executing this code, matplotlib.pyplot as plt. The example in the page uses a CSV file called data.csv. Download data.csv or open data.csv. The result is this. Scatter plot. Specify that you want a scatter plot with a kind argument. Kind is equal to scatter. A scatter plot needs an x and a y axis. In the example below, we will use duration for the x axis and calories for the y axis. Include the x and y arguments like this. X is equal to duration, y is equal to calories. See the example result. By executing this code, in the previous example we learned that the correlation between duration and calories was 0.92227 and we concluded with the fact that higher duration means more calories burned. See the example, its result. By looking at the scatter plot, I will agree. Let's create another scatter plot where there is a bad relationship between the column like duration and max plus, duration and max pulse with the calories 0.009403. A scatter plot where there are no relationship between the columns. See, by executing this code, scatter, duration, max pulse, the result returns this. Check this. Histogram. Use the kind argument to specify that you want a histogram. Kind is equal to hist. Histogram needs only one column. Histogram shows us the frequency of each interval. Example, how many workouts lasted between 50 and 60 minutes. In the example below, we will use the duration column to create the histogram. See, the histogram tells us that there were over 100 workouts that lasted between 50 and 60 minutes. See the duration plot. By executing this code, the result returns this, frequency and duration. Okay friends, this is the end of part 15, Pandas plotting. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Pandas data frame reference. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.